Good morning, dear students. Today I shall take up The Merchant of Venice, Act First, Scene First. Same scene, line 139. Antonio says, this is the speech of Antonio, page number 28. Antonio, I pray you, good Bassanio. I beseech you, I request you, good Bassanio, I urge you, good Bassanio, let me know it. Let me explain your scheme, your plan in detail. I pray you, good Bassanio, let me know it. It means Bassanio's plan, Bassanio's scheme. Explain in detail your plan, your scheme to me. That's why I request you, I beseech you, I urge you, my dear good Bassanio. And if it stand as you yourself still do, and if it stand as you yourself still do within the eyes of honor, means, and if your scheme is like yourself honorable, like yourself perfectly honorable, believe me, Bassanio, be assured, Bassanio, my purse, my person means my dignity, my honor, I myself, my extremest means, my utmost resources lie all unlocked to your occasions, are all open for your needs. Means I will unlock my purse, my safe and my locker, everything will be unlocked for you. My dignity, I shall present myself for you as a guarantor for anything. My extremest means, my utmost resources lie all unlocked to your occasions, are all open for your needs, my dear Bassanio. Bassanio says, in my school days, when I had lost one shaft means arrow. Here, after hearing the words of Antonio, Bassanio tells him a story about his childhood. He says, Antonio, in my school days, when I had lost one shaft means arrow. When I was doing archery, and when I lost one arrow, I shot his fellow of the self-same flight. I did not lose courage after losing the first arrow. I did not lose my temper. I did not deviate from the right path, but with full energy, with full vigor, with full force and enthusiasm, I shot another arrow in the same direction with watchful eye. The self-same way with more advised watch. The self-same way means exactly the same. With more advised watch means watching it more carefully. Means while I was shooting another arrow, that time I was more careful, more alert in which direction my arrow was going. It was going near the target or not. And in this way, what happens? And to find the other fourth, advice was to find the other fourth, and by advertising both, I oft find both. to find the other fourth, and in this way I found the first one, the last arrow, and the second arrow both. By advertising both, I oft found both, and in this way I found both of them. By advertising means by risking the second arrow, I got the first one also. I urge this childhood proof. Urge means offer. Proof means experiment. I offer this childhood experiment to you, Antonio. Do you know what is the reason behind this? Do you know why do you offer this childhood experiment to you? Because what follows is pure innocence. What follows is pure innocence. I owe you much. Whatever I did, it was due to innocence. Means the money which you gave me in the past, I squandered all the monies. I spent the money which you gave me with both hands. That time I was careless. Due to my innocence, I wasted my borrowed money which you gave me. I owe you much, and like a willful youth. Willful youth means self-willed young man. And like a willful youth, that which I owe is lost. That which I owe is lost. And like a self-willed young man, I have lost whatever I got from you. But if you please to shoot another arrow, that self way which you did shoot the first. But if you please to shoot another arrow means in the past you gave me a lot of money. But again, if you give me money, then by using the second loan, I will be able to return you the first one also. But if you shoot another arrow, that self way which you did shoot the first, I do not doubt. Shoot another arrow means send another loan, give me second loan to make me eligible to return you the first one also. I do not doubt, as I will watch them. This time, do not doubt about my dignity. I will be very careful towards my aim, and I hope that I will be able to achieve a lot of things through which I will be able to return the first one and the second loan also. As I will watch the aim are to find both, or bring your letter hazard back again. Bring your letter hazard means second loan, or bring your letter hazard back again and thankfully rest debtor for the first. Letter hazard means second loan. Bassanio will ensure that the latter loan, hazard means loan, will be returned, and he will still remain indebted to Antonio for the original sum. Antonio says, you know me well. You are familiar with my nature, Bassanio. You are acquainted with my nature, Bassanio. And herein spend but time. Herein spend but time means you only waste your time To wind about my love means to check about my love in a very complicated way. Circumstance means in a complicated way. Means in a very complicated way, you check my love, you check my dignity. And out of doubt, you do me now more wrong in making question of my uttermost. You know me well, and herein spend but time. You are acquainted with my nature, you are familiar with my nature, Bassanio. And herein spend but time to wind about my love with circumstance. You check my love in a very complicated way by talking in such a way. You are wasting your time to check my love towards you in a very complicated way. And out of doubt, you do me now more wrong. And in this way, you hurt my feeling. You hurt my love for you in making questions of my utterance.